Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Bigo Live. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by logging into Bigo Live application. Once you're signed into your account, from the home screen, go to the search button at the top right corner and in the search box at the top where it says username ID live title, enter the username of the person that you would like to add as a friend. Once you type in the username, under relevant host, you'll be able to find your search results. Tap on anyone that matches your search and then you'll end up in the person's profile. Tap on the follow back button at the bottom left corner and you've added the person to your following list. Go to the main screen of Bigo Live and tap on the bell icon at the upper right corner. In the reminder, you'll see the people you have followed. At the bottom under recommended, you'll be able to find more people that you can follow by simply tapping on the plus button. If you scroll up, you'll be able to see the list of the people that you have followed on Bigo Live. You can now go view their live streams by simply tapping on their name and start joining them in their live stream. That is how you can add friends on Bigo Live. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.